Hey guys, here's my responses. Firstly, which did you like best? I liked Show Me the Data because it directly connected personal experience with research in a way that felt practical and empowering. The talk challenged a common myth that some people are just not math people and used real data to reinforce the idea. It didn't just tell us that mindset matters, it showed us how deeply a belief can shape our outcomes. It made the research feel human. It gave it clear reasons to rethink how we approach struggle and failure in learning. Second question, how are we how were statistics used to tell stories in the intellectual humility reading? A story is told through statistics by using them to guide us along the discovery. First, we are introduced to a claim, hypothesis, and evidence. We're able to follow along because we see a story of discovery of vulnerability that is mirrored by the statistics presented in the reading. And how were statistics used to tell stories in the TED Talk? In the TED Talk, statistics were used to highlight the gap between students' perceived abilities and their actual parental potential. Sorry, I'm reading this off my notes, and I need glasses. They use numbers to uncover a hidden narrative that educational system. Can I zoom in at all? Sorry. Educational system and cultural beliefs often discourage students from persisting in math by showing data about student performances, brain growth, and the importance of mindset on learning. The talk told a story not just of struggle, but of transformation. The statistics helped us see that math success isn't about innate talent, it's about opportunity, encouragement, and the right mindset. What do you find most surprising in this material? I found it surprising that so many kids found it hard to speak out in math. In my personal experience, it was just an accepted norm that math got hard at some point for everybody, no matter what level that was. So there wasn't fear or judgment of people being wrong. That didn't mean it was. That didn't mean it was all willy nilly. Like we were intellectual humility, like monks, or like we had transcended and had no fear of being wrong. But it definitely was surprising to see the data that showed people had such high reservations compared to what I experienced.